Now we will make windows. For this, take one strand of this color and embroider diagonal stitches. If you choose to make 5-inch hoop, make 1 stitch for each window. For 6 and 7, 2 stitches for each window. For the water, we'll need 2 strands and we will make stem stitches. You come up, make a stitch, then you start the next stitch like somewhere in the upper part of the previous stitch. There you go, just repeating the line that you drew. Now we've finished the embroidery process. In the next video I'll show you how to finish your hoop and hang embroidery on the wall.